or whenever you are watching this. Today is Thursday, March 26th. So yeah, welcome to today. Welcome to Thursday. A couple things I want to show you, something neat that I want you to try before you watch the next video tomorrow. And yeah, so first of all, let you know, my husband and I, we were watching a show last night. We were old school, and we were watching CSI, the original ones with Grissom. You are all like, what? Ooh, what? But anyways, on the show, they talked about this. There was this quote, and I loved it, and it was by Henry James, and it says, and I even put it on my phone. It says, I got to read it to you. 3 things in human life are important. The first is to be kind. The second is to be kind. And the third is to be kind. So that was by Henry James. He was an author way back in the 19th century. So I heard that on the show, and I was like, oh, yes, especially now, being kind. We're in second week of the staying home, and it's probably, wearing a little thin on people. So I'm wanting to do something that you can be kind to the people in your family. So first of all, I want to show you a trick, though. Color wheel, Roy G. Biv, right? Color wheel. Here's our color wheel. I love color. Roy G. Biv, which means red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Color wheel. I want you to look at this because I'm going to do an experiment with you guys. I want to see if it works for you. So you're going to take, now bear with me because I have to move some stuff. So we're going to turn the thing down. I've got a piece of paper. Is it going to stay? I hope it's going to stay. Okay. You're going to need some pieces of paper. I know it looks really weird. This one looks orange to me on the screen, but it's actually red, yellow, blue. This is what I have at school. But if that doesn't work, then use like a pure red marker. Use a pure blue pen. Use a red something or other. I don't know, like something red. What do I have that's red here? Oh, my Smellias. Where's my Smellias? I can use a lid. My Smellias. So it doesn't have to be paper, but what you're going to do is you're going to look at this. You're going to take your pieces of paper and you're going to put them on the sheet. And you're going to look at it for about 10 seconds. So looking at that color. So you're going to just stare at it. I'm not going to move it. I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to stare at it for 10 seconds. Stare at it for about 15 seconds and count in your head. I need like little and then you're going to take the piece of paper away and keep looking at the same spot. And you're going to tell me, what did you see? Okay, so try that with red, and then try it with blue. Try it with a blue piece of paper or a blue pen. Same thing works, right? So look at it, stare at, and you kind of almost like, I'll bring it back up to talk to you. It's almost like, kind of like, not crossing your eyes, but you're just kind of like you're just like really not focusing like really hard on one spot, but you're just kind of like kind of looking at it, but not staring at one specific spot. So try that. So we're gonna do that with a pen. So I'm gonna try that with the blue, right? Looking, 10 to 15 seconds, and then pull it away, and then look at that spot where it was, and tell me what you see. Same thing with the red, or blah 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 blah, the yellow. So either a yellow pen or a yellow piece of paper, okay, and do that. And I want you to tell me, if you can email me at sheilapere@pwpsd.ca. Tell me what you saw. Okay, cool. That's a little experiment in color, and I'll get more into that tomorrow's video. But for today, thinking on that kindness theme, I was thinking, well, because you're like, not stuck, wrong choice of words. We are able to spend quality time at home. What could we do to show kindness to the people in our house? So I remember years ago, and we used to make these little fortune teller things, right? These little fortune tellers. And so I thought, well, I'm going to show you how to do it. And some of you are like, Miss Payne, I already know how to make that, which is great. I'm glad that you know how to make it, but not everybody knows how to make it. I'm just going to, So I'm going to show you how to make it if you've never made one. And I want to try to spin it on a kindness theme. So we're going to let me put this back down. Whoop. There you go. I've got a piece of paper. Now you need a square piece of paper. Whoop. So this one is, I just cut it to the same, like it's the same on all those sides, because that's what square means. And then you're going to fold it in corner to corner. Right? And then open it up. And then have that vertical line pointed towards you, and you're going to fold it again, corner to corner. Okay. And now I have like a big X in my paper. Now I'm going to fold it in half like a hot dog bun. And the parents are going, what is she talking about? Well, look, it makes like a hot dog bun, right? You could put like a hot dog in there. It's a hot dog bun. And then I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to do the same on this side. Fold it like a hot dog bun. There we go. Now, open that back up. So you should have like an X through it, and then you should have a plus sign. Now you're going to take that corner, and you're going to fold it into the middle. And go all the way around. Fold all these corners into the middle. This again, I need that. Dun, 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 dun. I'll stop and pull that all the way around. All the way around. And then I believe, do I do this yet? Oh yeah. So you've got those all folded in, and then I turn it over, and I take those corners and I fold them into there. So all I did is I folded all those corners in. Okay, that's all I did. Fold the corners in. Flip it over. Now because this has got nothing, there's no open parts here. I'm going to fold this into itself. Right, so I'm just going into the middle. That's all I'm doing. Fold into the middle. Right. There we go. And there's kind of our fortune teller. Now, first thing, so this is going to be the outside, because he's got the little flappies where your fingers go. This is the inside. So I'm going to put numbers. I'm going to do it in markers so you can see it. I'm going to put numbers all the way around. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, good marker. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then inside, I want you to think of things. Look at me. There we go. I want you to think of things something that you could do to be kind to the people in your house or in your neighborhood. Like maybe it's even like putting a picture up on the window, right? How can you be kind? So some of the things I thought about were, where's my one I made already? This is the one I made already. And I thought like taking out the garbage, putting away the dishes, and you guys are all going, but no, seriously, somehow you could be kind today. You will get a hug. 5 minutes of silence for me. I don't think I could do that one. Bring you a drink of water. Send a nice message to someone, like maybe email. Open the door for you. Put away my toys. Take out the garbage. Put away the dishes. So that's what you write on the inside flaps. So there's my numbers, right? We wrote those numbers. On the inside flaps on each one, because there's 2 on each corner. Write some things of how you could be kind, okay? And then the outside, all I did is I wrote the colors, okay? So then we take this thing. Now I fold it in half, okay? So I've got the colors on the outside. And then I kind of smidge my fingers in here, and I smidge my fingers in here, and then I just go like this. There we go. I don't know if you can see. There we go. And then you say to somebody, okay, pick a color. And let's say they picked orange. So then you go ORANGE. And then they look inside and they have to pick a number. So I can't see the number. I think it's like 7, 8, 3, and 2. So I'm going to say 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they pick another number, which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then they're going to pick the number 3. 1, 2, 3. I may have gone too many. It's kind of up to you, totally up to you, your rules. And then you say, pick a number. And they're going to say, number 1. And so they opened up. And this is how you have to be kind to them. You will get a hug. Oh, and that's a great way to end it with you guys. I would give you guys a great big hug. Oh, so big hugs to you. Yeah, you don't have to do it, but maybe try and be kind to the people in your house today. Again, humankind, right? Ooh, you can see that. 3 ways, humankind, or 3 things in human life that are important. First is to be kind. Second is to be kind. And the third is to be kind. Okay? Big hugs for me. Big heart. I've got my Love Everybody shirt on today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Remember to breathe. Lower those shoulders. Let's do that right now. Big inhale. Exhale. Let's do 2 more. Exhale. Oh, the last one. Let's use that. Oh, I forgot about the breathable. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Awesome. Thanks so much, guys. I will talk to you tomorrow and see if you figured out what did you see? Tell me what you saw on here. Email me or we'll talk about it tomorrow. Okay. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.